Right, well, first off a bit of dashcam footage, and then we go down to the seaside. And on the way driving there we've had some hail and really heavy rain. Typical end of May weather. Not.
Rubbish day. Most of it was a good one, it's a sunny day. This is a pretty awful day. It's not sunny.
Okay, so here's a bit of a resolution test at 3 different resolutions. This is 2.7K at 30 frames a second, and the sun is just popping its head out. This is 4K at 30 frames a second, but as I think I said, I believe it's interpolated from 1080, so I don't know that it's going to be much of an improvement over the 1080 resolution. My personal preference in my test that I did before this was 2.7K. And now 1080 at 60 frames a second. And the sun's disappeared again. Give it a minute or two, might come out again. Pan around a little bit here. See what the rigging's like on the boat. Okay, this is 2.7, 30 frames a second, and now the sun has come out, but I don't think it'll be out for long. Right, we're still on 2.7K. I don't know what the wind noise is going to be like with this. Very windy. We're still on 2.7K, 30 frames a second. I quite like this shot. Right, well, very bad wind noise on this particular clip, but it is blowing a hoolie. But what I was saying was, I really enjoy this clip because you've got the nice vibrant colour on the signs on the pier, plus you've got a view way off into the distance there, the end of the pier, and even that ship anchored out in the bay. So I think it's quite a good test of a camera actually, and this is still at 2.7, which, as I said, is I think the best resolution that you're going to get out of this camera. Nice and sharp, nice colour. In fact, yeah, not bad at all. And then after that we go down into the arcade for a bit of low light footage and some vibrant colour again, and noise. And finally, here are some motorbiking clips, because the sun came out today, so I thought I'd stick on a few more. Now, the camera is mounted on the side of my helmet, which just needs using one standoff this way, one standoff that way. And I put the ventilated back on. It's easy enough to change the back, just a question of popping one out, popping the other one in. I've already had this mount on my motorcycle helmet anyway from previous tests, because there are probably something like 60 camera tests on my channel. If you're going to mount it on the top, you'll probably need a curved mount, and both mounts that are supplied with this camera are flat, so mounting it on the side does away with that problem. I like the idea of mounting them so that and slipping in downwards, although they're not going to fall out, and people have asked how you actually get these out, because once they're in, they're in. But if you just squeeze the bottom of the clip like so, you can slide it back out again. And the reason I've got tape on that is because it's a mount for a different camera, and some mounts are a bit sloppy on it. That does make it a bit tight though. So anyway, clips are coming up. There's a mixture of 1080 at 60, 2.7 and 4K at 60. And I still, the 1080 is not bad at all really. I take back what I said about it not being very good, but I still think the 2.7K is better. And when I pause the video, I can even read sharp signs. Very sharp, clear video at 2.7. So here they are. I'll stop waffling. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to hit subscribe and possibly even like, and check out some of my other vids. Here we go. (1978) Honda CX500. What a babe.